Another very nice effect is bloom, which is translated in our language. It remains in bloom effect. So this generation of flowers. Okay. I have inserted this porcelain statue that has been generated. Here we have Leonardo AI. Who has followed Leonardo's course? So if you have seen the previous lessons, you obviously know how to generate images of this type. And credits 10, not many, is the one that took a little more time in the generation. And he says that there are many elegant flowers that grow quickly from the surface. And here it is. If you want, you can see it in a more important way, without showing it to you, directly from our player. You can also see it well, and you can find it in our player, which is directly below. These videos are about resolution as far as details are concerned. This 162 is more important as a resolution. And that's probably why it took even more time. It has a higher resolution as a type of video. The video we made before had a lower resolution. Details, for example, 681,024. Like this one. You can see that it has a different resolution. This flower, on the other hand, has a much more important resolution. I didn't bring it to number scale. So in native it has a higher resolution.